So if you got a front load washer like me, then over time, you're gonna get mold and mildew in this rubber boot that's on the front. And thankfully for this particular unit, it's not too bad. If I look down in here where water can just sit, I don't have a lot of mildew in there, but where I do have it is on this ridge that goes all the way around. See all that black stuff? It goes all the way around the edge, and it goes on mine almost halfway up here. It doesn't have it on the very top because no water can sit there, it rolls. But when this portion here is pressing against this foam rubber boot, that locks that stuff in, it never dries. So you get the buildup. And that stuff can get really nasty quick. So I'm gonna clean it off. You can scrub it with bleach, but if you use some of this stuff from Active, it makes the job a lot easier because essentially this is bleach in here. One of the main ingredients, they show this on the back of the box here in the ingredients list. The second ingredient there after water is sodium hypochlorite. And that's basically what you're gonna find in bleach. That's the chemical that's gonna interact with all of this goop in here and get rid of it. So it comes with a nice little bottle here with a twist off cap. So you can really make a pinpoint action in order to squeeze some of this on. And so I'm just gonna put some on here like this and just use the tip to just kind of line it along there wherever I have the mildew starting to crop up in the mold and stuff, just like that. I'm just gonna go all the way around, and then I'm gonna let it sit for a little while according to the instructions, and then we'll run this, it says about 3 to 5 hours until that gel gets nice and hard. Run a damp cloth, wipe that away, and then we'll just run the machine to clean it out. So this is good stuff. If you can get chlorine or bleach type effect to stay on there, and this gel allows you to do that, then it's gonna last longer and it's gonna get into this cleaning mode and sustain it. Because if you just put bleach on here, it's gonna drip down, it's not gonna work. But this has got a better effect with that gel capability. So I hope that helps learn a little bit more about this Active Seal and Grout Mold Stain Remover. Have a great day.